Okay, another day we're closer to Christmas Day, and there is no Christmas Day without this. It has to be one of the best cuts you can have. It is full of moist, full of fat, full on the bone, full of flavor, extremely full of flavor. It is a lot of marbles, as you can see, a lot of lines in it. So this time I'm gonna help you out doing this a bit earlier, then you don't have to be stuck with it during Christmas Day and looking after it. You can do it beforehand. Yes, you can. Right, so one way of doing it is we're gonna sear it all, cover it all with butter all around, as you can see, and don't be shy, just play with it. And this is to make the salt and pepper stick. Don't be shy with your salt and pepper, be generous. A bit messy here, but then on the side and again on the other side. Now the trick of making it earlier on the day, or the day before maybe, is we're gonna place it in the oven for an hour on 180. You don't touch it, just leave it there for 180 for an hour. It doesn't matter how big is this. If it's twice as big or half as much, it's gonna take an hour in the oven at 180 degrees. That's what we will do now, and we leave it there. So after an hour, we switch the heating off and we leave it for a good 3 hours. Do not open the door, do not try to say hello to it, do not do anything, just leave it there. You open the door, all the heat is gone, and this exercise will be pointless. So 1 hour into the heating, switch it off, leave it there for 3 hours. Next day, after 3 hours, of course, foil it, cover it, put it in the fridge and forget about it till tomorrow. Tomorrow, what you will do is you take it out of the fridge, leave it outside for a good 15-20 minutes to get back from to get the room temperature, and then we place it back in the oven again at 180 degrees for a good 45 minutes or so. If you got the thermometer and you can check the temperature, you need to look for about 130, 125, thereabout, for a good medium rare. A bit more if you want it medium and so on. But an average is about 40 minutes. A bit more if you want it, of course, like I said earlier on. Right, so from here we'll just go to what we're gonna do with this dish again later on.